Hello friends, welcome to healthykadai. Aam Panna is one of the most refreshing summer cooler drink which is made using unripe green mangoes. Aam Panna has a tangy and a sweet taste with a very flavorful hints of spices which goes into making. Today I am sharing an instant Aam Panna recipe which does not involve any cooking, yet the taste come out to be very delicious, very tasty. So let's quickly see how to prepare this recipe. So friends, here we have one piece of raw mango and one piece of ripe mango. We are making instant Aam Panna, so we are combining both. Now we need to peel both the mangoes. Aam Panna is not only very flavorful and tasty, but it also helps in digestion and it also helps to keep our body cool during hot summer days. So one should definitely consume Aam Panna during summer season. Friends, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to healthykadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Friends, now we need to chop both the mangoes finely. So we need to completely scrap off the mango from the sides, top, bottom, and we'll further cut it into small pieces. Chopping is done. Now let's transfer both the mangoes in a mixer grinder jar. So the ratio here is half a cup of raw mango and 1 cup of ripened mango. Into this we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, but the quantity of sugar depends upon the sweetness of the mangoes. If the raw mango is too sour, then you can increase the quantity of sugar. I have currently added 2 tablespoons of sugar in it. Next we'll add half a teaspoon of salt. Then goes half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder or the zira powder. Half a teaspoon of black salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. And to this we'll add half a cup of water first. Now we need to blend everything together until we get a smooth puree. Here you can see our mango puree is ready. Now if you want to store this concentrate, then transfer it in a bowl and keep it in deep freezer. Whenever you want to use it, just defreeze it and add water and ice cubes and your instant Aam Panna will be ready. Now let me show you how to prepare Aam Panna. So now into this we'll add ice cubes, water. We'll blend it one more time. Additionally, we'll add few mint leaves. And let's blend it again. And here we go. Our Aam Panna is ready. Let's quickly serve it. And here are our glasses. And we'll just coat it with this salt and red pepper mixture. Okay. And then let's add our Aam Panna, the instant fresh Aam Panna which we have prepared. We'll add few ice cubes, a wedge of raw mango, and here goes fresh mint leaf. So that's about it. Our Aam Panna is ready to serve. It's very delicious, delectable and very refreshing. Try out the recipe once. I'm sure you will really like the taste of our freshly prepared instant and quick Aam Panna recipe. Do let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.